Hello everyone. This video is to introduce Screencast-O-Matic. I'm not sure where exactly to put my video, so I'll just move it throughout the time. But this website is just really amazing. I have just a free subscription, and it allows me to do so much. The real key to this is that I can record while I see myself, but also while you guys can see my screen. So I guess you guys can see both me and the screen. You can also record where it's just the webcam looking at you, or you can record just your screen. So you have all three of those options throughout this program. But then you can also upload them very quickly, because what it's doing is saving them to your own kind of video library, and you upload them with a link. Now, if you're trying to kind of record a video and then embed it into a lesson or into like a message for your parents, there's a lot of reasons we'd need videos. This is going to take a lot less time than working with an iPad or a normal webcam and then having to upload the entire video file. And that's the big difference. Here, your video file is saved on this web page and you're just attaching a link. So anytime somebody clicks on your link, it's going to take them here and they're going to see their video or your video like you want them to. Part of what makes this so important for me is that I was trying to do a lot of videos on like a website for my families and for my students. And this is really how I do my sub plans, because there's days where I have to go to the TLF trainings and I just have a web page with top to bottom, the students just click on the videos and then follow the directions, and that's just how they go through for the day. But when I was trying to do it before, I was just recording on my iPad, uploading them to my computer and Google Drive, but that was taking hours. And we just don't have that time at all. We don't have that time to just sit and wait. We don't have kind of the computer memory to be working while that's loading, because it's going to just be making it take longer. So my mentor teacher is actually the one who showed me this, and she's done all kinds of phonics videos and just links them to this. So that's why this is really important. Now, you can do videos, images, you can arrange them in folders. You can also post these to things like YouTube, save them as a video file, or just save them here. So you have all of those options. So as soon as I push stop recording, it's going to ask me what I want to do with the video. And so I would just encourage you guys to just try messing around with it. Just make a video, say, hi, my name is, and then push stop, and then see those different options. And I can't really show you them without stopping my screen, but if you'd like a more comprehensive how-to guide on how to use Screencast-O-Matic, just let me know, and I can definitely go into more detail. Now, again, there's just a lot that we can do. This one here I made for my parents and just sent it out in a class dojo message. So instead of them having to read it, I could actually just show them what I needed to show. This one here was made for my students as part of a seesaw activity. That first page, I like to just have my self-giving directions and an example. And with the seesaw video, it only does the screen cam to you. So all I can do is talk at them. Whereas if I do the Screencast-O-Matic with me in there and my screen, then I can actually show the students how to do one example before embedding the video into my seesaw activity. All of these here are for a week of, or a day of sub plans for my students. And you just have a lot of capabilities throughout this. You can also change tabs and kind of decide what you're going to show your audience. Just a really great program. So take a look at it, try to use this to make your videos and make it so that you're able to connect a little bit more with your students, just kind of through that, that video representation of yourself instead of just having the text. So that's Screencast-O-Matic, and I hope you guys like it.